Why does budgeting feel impossible for low income? Imagine trying to build a house with only a few bricks. That's how many low-income families feel when they try to stick to a budget. It seems like there's just not enough to go around. Many families spend most of their money on everyday needs like food, rent, utilities, and transportation. When your paycheck barely covers these essentials, saving money or planning for the future feels out of reach. Unexpected costs like a sudden medical bill or a broken car can wipe out what little savings you have. In Latino families, multi-generational households add more layers to this challenge. Supporting parents, grandparents, children, and even relatives abroad means more expenses. Sending remittances to family members in other countries takes a chunk of the budget, leaving less for local needs. Child care costs can also be high, especially if you need to pay out of pocket for infants or toddlers. Health care expenses can skyrocket if you lose Medicaid or cannot afford regular doctor visits. Many Latino families prefer cash transactions because of past experiences or immigration concerns. This distrust of banks limits access to savings accounts or credit cards that could help manage money better. Without these tools, families often relying on costly check cashing services or payday loans, which drain their income even more. Cultural traditions like planning quinceañeras or supporting extended family members also add financial pressure. These events are important but can cost thousands of dollars, making it hard to stick to a strict budget. Government programs like food stamps or Medicaid can help, but they are sometimes hard to access or have strict rules that exclude some families. Cuts to these programs hit Latino families especially hard, reducing the safety net that helps them manage money. Lack of financial education tailored to Latino families is another barrier. Language barriers and limited culturally relevant guidance mean many don't know how to create a realistic budget or find affordable financial services. All these factors combine to make budgeting seem impossible, even when families want to manage their money better. It's not just about tracking income and expenses. It's about navigating a complex web of needs, responsibilities, and systemic barriers. But there are ways to make budgeting easier. Focusing on small, manageable steps, like setting aside a little each week or finding community resources, can help. Understanding your true expenses and planning for irregular costs can also make a big difference. With patience and support, managing money becomes more doable, even in tough circumstances.